Great morning, great morning, great morning, everybody. What is going on? What is going on? Give me a second. I'm gonna get some things going here for a minute. Hope y'all had a good weekend, man. Enjoyed yourselves, enjoyed your family, your loved ones, etc., etc. Go. Yep. Yes, sir. So today is September 25th, 2023. We are here. This broadcast, this live is being brought to you from the Futures Connect. I am Crypto. Glad to be back with y'all. I won't be doing too much trading today. Well, I've already traded a little bit today, but that was early this morning. I have a couple obligations I got to take care of, unfortunately, but I just wanted to come in here and tap in with y'all, give you a morning motivation, give you morning affirmations, get your day going, get your day started. I missed y'all on Friday as well. I had some stuff I had to take care of too, so we will be continuing the Road to Funded series. We will be continuing that tomorrow. It'll be day 4 or day 5, I want to say. Let me check. I think it's day 5. But anyway, so as we are standing right now, that account is at $50,684. And again, like I say, our target is $53,000, and that'll get us into the funded environment, and then we can start trading with a live PA account. I'm gonna take y'all on that journey as well. We're gonna go from evaluation. We're gonna go from evaluation to funded, from funded to pulling our first check. And I want y'all to be on this journey with me. No matter which direction it go, we're going to be going. We're going to be going for nothing but positivity, nothing but abundance, all of that. So before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and do what we do, which is our affirmations. Before I get into all of that, though, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to get notified for any more videos like this, any lives, any of the other educational videos I'm going to be putting out as well. So I appreciate it. Give me a like, whatever you want to do. Also, leave a comment as well. Good, bad, I don't care what it is. I take all constructive criticism, all of that. So yeah, just lay it all out. So we're gonna go ahead and get these affirmations started. All right, so let's go. Success isn't built by the amount of time you put in, but by what you do during that time. You were born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. From the great Zig Ziglar. Work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. With the right attitude, anything is possible. If someone dares to tell you that your goals are unachievable, smile and prove them wrong. You are learning everything you need to know to move into the next level of your life. You are valuable and the universe needs you right where you are. Never forget that. Never let anyone convince you otherwise. Set goals so big that you have to grow into your fullest potential to achieve them. Just start from wherever you are. Take the leap and begin again. Wild success happens when you least expect it. A knockdown has never been a knockout unless you allow it. Damn. That was deep.
Pause.
It isn't the hours you put in, but what you put in the hours. The only thing that can stop me is me. A diamond is a chunk of coal that did well under pressure. It isn't the mountains that wear you out, it's the pebble in your shoe. That's from the great Muhammad Ali. All right, let's get into some money motivations. If y'all wondering where I'm getting this from, there's a motivational app that you can download that I actually paid for a yearly subscription for it. It's a wonderful thing, man. Wonderful, wonderful thing, because I kid you not, it sends me motivational quotes exactly when I need it. And it's amazing, man. It you know, definitely, I could be in a funk, you know what I'm saying? I could be just having a bad day or something like that. But I will get a notification from this app, man, that'll turn everything around, man. It's such a good feeling. It's a good tool to have when you're on your road or when you're on the journey to success and whatever you're trying to achieve. All right, so let's get into some money affirmations. So here we go. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Rich people focus on opportunities. Poor people focus on obstacles. That's by T. Harv Eker. The rich invest in time, the poor invest in money. That's by W.B. Warren Buffett. All my life, I knew that there was all the money. All my life, I knew that there was all the money you could want out there. All you have to do is go after it. Curtis Carlson. You can make money or you can make sense. The two are mutually exclusive. R. Buckminster Fuller. It's simple arithmetic. Your income can grow only to the extent that you do. Again, that's T. Harv Eker. I say always follow your passion no matter what, because even if it's not the same financial success, it'll lead you to the money that'll make you the happiest. That's from Ellen DeGeneres. Fortune sides with him who dares. Who dares, my bad, Virgil. When you know how to make money, you're obligated to. Marshall Silver. And that's 8. When you know how to make money, you are obligated to do it. All right, this is the last one. A bank is a place that will lend you money if you prove that you don't need it. That's crazy. So yeah, what up, Lou? Got these affirmations going, man. I'm not gonna be trading this morning. I gotta make a run. Just wanted to get the day going. Like I say, today is September 25th, 2023. It is 9:06 a.m. in the morning. The New York Open. The New York session opens at 9:30. So let's get into what these markets looking like today. All right, so on the screen y'all can see that I have the Nasdaq. Matter of fact, yeah, that's cool. All right, so on the screen you see I have the MNQ. The Nasdaq has moved 149.25 points as of right now. On this 20-day average, it typically moves about 211 points. Last Friday, which we call yesterday, it moved 191.50 points. So as of right now, it is moved more than half of its average, of its 20-day average. So quite naturally, we can think that, hey, you know, it's been in a downtrend since the London Open, and it could possibly continue the downtrend to go and reach its goal of hitting its average points for the day. So it got about a good 60 points to go. So it looked like it's pushing down again. We see that there's a demand zone, supply zones. For you guys that don't know how I trade in my color scheme, my color scheme is red, black, and green with a little bit of yellow in there, right? So my supply zones is green and my demand zones is red. As you can see on the screen, there's a demand zone that we're in right now. It looks like we're really about to break that demand zone, but there's the solid dollar 14,800 right there. When we see that it bounced there 4 times before. Well, I'll say 1, 2, twice. All right, so it bounced there twice, and you see that zone was just broken. So, and that's a big push. They're really pushing to the downside to go get to that daily average. So now, for what I'm looking at, and also I'm on the 5-minute chart as well. We don't have any real big news today. Don't know what happened overnight to make the price drop. I don't know if there was news overnight. But as we can see here, solid dollar 14,800 was support. Now we can possibly look at it as resistance, or we can possibly look at it as, hey, they're coming down and taking those stops from overnight, grabbing liquidity, and could possibly go to the upside. So I'm going to squeeze this in and see what is possibly going on. Yeah, sorry about that. I forgot to put my phone on silent. So yeah, because we've been in such a bearish environment lately, it basically prompts me to go back and look and see on a bigger time frame what exactly is going on. So I'm gonna go to an hour chart and see if I can see some things. And it looks like we are in an area. Well, it was a demand zone down there that was created back August 18th. So I know you guys don't understand what you're looking at, but I am going to create another chart probably tomorrow to make it look a little bit more clear to you guys. So this is my prep chart. So this is where I get all my numbers from for my Google sheet to make sure that I know what the ranges are. Make sure I know what brick size I'm supposed to be on. But like I said, today I'm not gonna be trading too much. But I did just want to come on here and talk to y'all for a second and, you know, get some things going. So right now, I'm gonna go to a daily chart. I'm gonna try to get rid of some of this noise in here. They are pushing down. Get rid of some of these indicators. Oh, well, I got two supply and demand. Get out of here. Supply and demand, visible. 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 All right, let's go with that for right now. Oh, let me take the fibs off too. Let's make it a little bit more clear, y'all. We got about 18 minutes for the New York session to open. All right. So this is a daily chart. We got the volume down here on the daily chart. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for possible areas of support. I see an area of support right here that could possibly be where price may be targeting, because you can see it bouncing this area here before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw I call it a slim shaded area. Matter of fact, let me take something else off because I want to see my bars. All right, here we go. All right, so from what I see, this looks like a possible area of support where price may come to. So I'm gonna draw a slim shaded area right here. And then I also see a fair value gap. There. So from what I'm looking at, it looked like a couple areas where price could potentially hit support, 14,600. It ran up here, broke the 14,600 back in June, actually May. Yeah, that was May. And kept moving around, bouncing off the 14,600 area, and then it finally ran up. And now we are coming back down to this area. So who knows? Like I always say, nothing is 100% for certain. You just want to make sure that you have the best technical analysis that you can do, that you know. So for me, that's what I see. I'm gonna put this on all of my MNQ charts. I'm also gonna put this on all of my MNQ charts, so I can see it on the charts I actually trade on, which is like my Renko charts. Now, to speak on fair value gaps, what I have learned through my journey on trading and gathering as much information from as many people as I can, you have the area between this wick right here and this wick up here, which this area is a what they call a premium. So if I would have said, hey, okay, I see that there was a fair value gap created here, I could wait for price to come back down in this area and have a sentiment of, hey, it's in this area and it's this 14,600 zone. I'm looking to be bullish. So on this day, which is June 1st, I could have been super bullish. And then when it came back down to the same area, I could have been super bullish again, right? So as you can see, those kind of things happen. I can draw another one for you, which is here to there. That area to that area here, you see what happened? Came down in this area, ran back up. So yeah, that's what we got for right now. So I'm gonna look at the ES as well on this chart. So I can have, ooh, what's that? We got Dacky. I named my cat after the NASDAQ, y'all. This is Dacky. Hey, what's up? He like to hide behind my computer when I'm trading. Like every morning, when I get up to trade, he run up here with me, try to step all on my keyboard, but he hides behind my monitor and we be trading. It's my dog. I don't know why it's looking like this. That is crazy. Try to refresh. I don't know why that's looking like that for DS, but we're gonna jump back over to NQ. So yeah, that's the sentiments I have for the NQ. NQ is my baby. That's pretty much the only one I really trade unless I see some significant moves happening with oil or the ES. Oil, ooh. Extreme bounce off of I think that's yesterday's open price or close price or something like that. Man, they moving too. We're gonna get back to 5-minute chart. See that NASDAQ is moving to the upside. Like I say, they might have came down here and took out the liquidity and maybe moving to the upside. We got a lot of fair value gaps here. As you can see, price came up in there, dropped down. Some here. Got one here. Here. So we'll see. This is about a 25-point move to the upside for the NASDAQ. I'm gonna draw a fib from here to there. See what they looking like, what they doing. Don't look like too much. Oh man, I didn't mean to do that. Well, yeah. So that's what we got for today, man. Like I say, no news. I'm not gonna be trading because I'm gonna be leaving in like 15, 20 minutes. I traded early this morning, hit a small goal. Probably gonna be done for the day. I didn't trade. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let me go ahead and just get a day in on this account. This is the road to funded account. I'm just doing in and out, one trade in and out. That's a day in on that account. I'm gonna come back tomorrow for y'all and live trade that account, and we're gonna go from there. We got about 9 minutes for the New York session to open. It is gap close time, so let me put the fields back on so y'all can see how far we are from the yesterday's close price. That on what I'm looking for. Oh, I know. Prior day open, high, low, close. All right, so we got yesterday's close right here. Remember I told y'all, typically around this time, if price gets too far away from where it closed at the previous day, we can expect for some market participants, which we call gap closers, to come in and bring, get the price back to an equilibrium where it closed at the previous day. It doesn't always happen. It's not 100% for certain. But we do have an expectation of that to possibly happen around this time, right? Let me see something. All right. So to give y'all a little bit of clarity on what I was just doing, I was changing cosmetically how things look. So if you put this tool on, this indicator on your chart, this is what's called a prior day open, high, low, close. So it gives me the price of the high of the day, the low of the day, where it opened at and where it closed at. Prior day's open price is blue. That's what you see right here. Prior day's high is green. That's what you see up here. Prior day's low is red. That's what you see right here. And the prior day's close is white, and that's what you see right here. And that's where the gap closures could be looking to bring the price back to. So yeah. Let me see what this changes. Hash. Cross. Price box? What's that? What's a price box? All right, I like that. We're gonna keep it at that. We're gonna keep it at that. All right, so 6 minutes for this market open. The oil market opened at 9 o'clock. They have officially gap closed 100% and some. That's my alarm. I got a 5-minute alarm. Oil officially gap closed this gap. Remember I told y'all the oil market opens at 9 o'clock. The oil market opened here, and the gap closers took the price back up to yesterday's close. Great example, prime example. But also we got to recognize the supply zone up here. And what did it do? It came to the supply zone, and the sellers start selling. Oil has been getting tremendously knocked down in this area up here. It broke through yesterday, well, Friday, but then look what happened. It got knocked down tremendously.
That's the $91 area? 91 and some change?
Yep. Got knocked down tremendously. And it came back up here, and it got knocked down again. Now it's back up there again. So obviously there's some people up there that don't want, they're not trying to get the price too high up in this area. They tried it, but then they're like, nah, you know what? We ain't having that. We ain't having it. So that's that. It's crazy though, because when you said the other day that oil respects the 50%, it made me go look at it. I'm like, damn, it definitely does respect the 50%.
Mm-hmm. That's a fact.
So yeah.
To be honest, you're the one that made me even think about them 50% levels. I think you mentioned 50% one time, but I went back and looked at oil. I'm like, all right. I see the 50% is they respect it over there in the DACI, and they did so in the oil. So, yep, just same shit, different market.
Yeah. Yep. So we got about 3 minutes for the market open, y'all. I'm gonna stay with y'all for probably about a good 15-20 minutes after market open. I can and will say that I am not tempted to take any trade, honestly. Will that change? Possibly, but I'm not. I'm just observing today. Also, for those of you all who are looking to start your journey, and I highly recommend that you do not put your own money up, because we have funding partners that will allow you to trade their cash for profit. And one of those funding partners that we use is Apex. If you're looking to, they have a discount right now, 80% off until tomorrow. If you see the link, you see the banner right there that has the discount link, and also you can just click on the link in the description. It has it has a discount link and the discount code, promo code there. So yeah, check it out. Start you an account. They will allow you to have up to 20 accounts. So start building, man. This is an opportunity that it's a very substantial opportunity for people who are looking to trade. So take advantage of it. Take major advantage of it. Also, in order for you to trade those 20 accounts, you're going to need a trade copier, which you basically take one trade and it get copied into as many accounts as you have. We have a discount for that as well in the description, so click the link for that. Yeah, so we got 1 minute. 1 minute. We got the opening tick that's already printed on the screen. I don't have it on this one, but it's on my other screen. Opening tick is 14.814.75. Let me see if I can find that really quick. There you go. Opening tick. Bam. Right there. Opening tick. We see a lot of movement going on. A lot of
change your opening tick to 9:30.
It is 9:30. Oh no, that's for oil.
Yep.
So as you can see, we on a 5-minute chart as well. So keep that in mind. Yesterday's low right here. It came up to yesterday's low. Seemed like it was a rejection. Always keep in mind the opening tick could be a level of support and resistance as well. I can see a possible fair value gap right here. So let's just say if I would have take this trade, if I would have took this trade based on a fair value gap, I would enter somewhere. Let's just say I enter here, place my stop up here. And you can see where we're looking to target. Would have been in profit right now. Close to T1 hit. We got the 11.4 fib right there, but we also got solid $800. Broke through solid $800. We're looking for T2 to get hit. When I say T2, that is target 2 or TP2. Some people say take profit. Yep. That would have been a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. That is a fair value gap trade right there. Came up, filled this imbalance right here. Entry right here, stop right there at the previous candles, at the high of the previous candle's wick. If you were in the NQ, that's $440. That fast. Looking to take out T. Take profit 2. We pushing. A little bit of support right there, as we can see from this candle right here. Possible support. So hopefully we would have been trailing by now and just, taking some profits, because we see that, like I say, price came down to this area again. You could either be the type of person who place your target right there and just completely get out the trade, or you can just trail and see how much more you can get as far as profits. So as we can see that this is now a level of support. So I'm gonna draw my support line here and make sure this is on all my charts. stepping all on my screen, man. I mean, all on my keyboard. I ain't gonna lie, these last like week or so, man, the market open, it's been so slow. So slow. So like I said, it's there. That was definitely a level of support. It's most likely going to be a demand zone that's going to pop up there, I guarantee. So let's go ahead and throw on the supply and demand indicator and see if we can, if it identifies what we see. Not yet, but it is a supply zone up there, so you got to be careful of that. Got to be careful. Right back up into that fair value gap area. All right, y'all. So that's about my time. I got to get up out of here, make some moves, take care of some business, and I will tap back in with y'all tomorrow for day 4 or day 5 of the Road to Funded series. We're gonna, like I say, we're taking an account from evaluation stage to funded stage to pulling a check, doing a withdrawal. That supply zone just got broke. So there you go. What I say, demand zone popped up. It was late, but the good thing about it is I don't really rely on these supply and demand zones that much anymore because I can see things now. And like I say, 9:30 gap close is coming in. What they doing? They trying to take the price right back to the gap. I'm sorry, right back to yesterday's close. So yeah, that's it for me, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and check out. Happy trading, man. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and also leave a comment.
So, over and out.
All right, I'm out.